What's up, everybody? Welcome to Tell All Wealth. Today we're diving into the world of YouTube and showing you how to turn your passion into a money-making machine. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to level up your channel, we've got the secrets to help you grow your audience and start seeing those dollar signs. Get ready for some seriously actionable tips that can transform your channel from zero to hero. You don't want to miss this. First things first, you got to figure out what your channel is all about. This is the foundation of your entire YouTube journey. Without a clear direction, it's easy to get lost in the sea of content out there. So take some time to really think about it. What gets you fired up? What makes you excited to get out of bed in the morning? This is crucial because your passion will be the driving force behind your content. When you're genuinely excited about something, it shows, and your audience will pick up on that energy. What do you know a ton about? Think about your expertise and knowledge. Maybe you have a unique skill or a deep understanding of a particular subject. This can be a great starting point for your channel because you'll be able to provide valuable insights and information to your viewers. Maybe you're a tech whiz who loves reviewing the latest gadgets. You can dive deep into the specs, compare products, and help your audience make informed decisions. Tech is always evolving, so there's always something new to talk about. Or maybe you're a fashionista who can put together killer outfits. You can share styling tips, lookbooks, and fashion hauls. Fashion is all about creativity and personal expression, so there is plenty of room to showcase your unique style. Whatever it is, find that niche that you're passionate about. This will be your corner of the internet where you can share your knowledge and enthusiasm with like-minded people. Your niche is what sets you apart from other creators and helps you build a loyal audience. Trust me, your enthusiasm will shine through in your videos and your audience will feel that. When you're passionate about your content, it's contagious. Your viewers will be more engaged and they'll keep coming back for more because they can see how much you care. Remember, the more specific your niche, the easier it is to target the right audience. When you know exactly who you're creating content for, you can tailor your videos to meet their needs and interests. This makes your channel more appealing and helps you stand out in a crowded space. So think about what you love and what you're good at. This is the sweet spot where your passion and expertise intersect. When you focus on this area, you'll be able to create content that is both enjoyable for you to make and valuable for your audience. That's your recipe for success. By combining your passion with your knowledge, you'll be able to create a channel that is authentic, engaging, and impactful. So take the time to discover what you're truly passionate about and let that guide your YouTube journey. Now, let's talk quality. Quality is the cornerstone of any successful content creation journey. Without it, even the most creative ideas can fall flat. If you want people to subscribe and stick around, your content needs to be top-notch. This means not only having great ideas, but also executing them flawlessly. Your audience can tell when you put effort into your work and they appreciate it. No excuses for crappy lighting or sound. These are the basics that can make or break your video. Poor lighting can make your video look amateurish, and bad sound can drive viewers away faster than you can say subscribe. Invest in some decent equipment, a good camera, a microphone, some basic lighting. It'll make a world of difference. You don't need to break the bank, but a small investment can significantly improve the quality of your content. And don't forget about editing. Editing is where the magic happens. It's where you can turn raw footage into a polished, engaging video. A well-edited video is key to keeping people engaged. It can help you tell a story, highlight important points, and keep your audience's attention from start to finish. Make it snappy, keep it interesting, and don't be afraid to experiment with different editing styles. Try out new transitions, effects, and pacing to see what works best for your content. Remember, the goal is to keep your audience entertained and coming back for more. Planning is also crucial. Before you hit record, take some time to plan your video, write a script, create a storyboard, and think about the shots you need. This will save you time during filming and editing and help you create a more cohesive and professional video. Finally, engage with your audience, respond to comments, ask for feedback, and build a community around your content. Your viewers are more likely to stick around if they feel like they're part of something special. Creating content that doesn't suck takes time, effort, and a commitment to quality. But with the right approach, you can build a loyal audience and create videos that people love to watch. So get out there and start creating. Okay, so you've got awesome content, but how do you get people to actually find it? It's not enough to just create. You need to make sure your content is discoverable. That's where SEO comes in, search engine optimization. SEO is the magic wand that helps your videos appear in search results. Think of it like this: YouTube is like a giant library and your videos are the books. In a library, books are organized in a way that makes them easy to find. You want to make sure your books are properly labeled and shelved so people can easily find them. This means your videos need to be well organized and clearly labeled. That means using the right keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Keywords are like the labels on the books. They help people know what your video is about. Do your research, see what people are searching for, and use those keywords strategically. Look at trending topics and popular search terms in your niche. There are tools available like Google Trends and YouTube's own search bar that can help you find the best keywords to use. Analyze what your competitors are doing and see which keywords they are targeting. Planning your content around these keywords can significantly increase your chances of being found. It's not just about stuffing keywords, it's about using them naturally and effectively. Also, consider adding subtitles and captions to your videos. This not only makes your content more accessible, but also helps with SEO. Finally, promote your videos on social media and engage with your audience. The more interaction your video gets, the higher it will rank in search results. Remember, getting found on YouTube is a combination of great content and smart SEO strategies. Keep experimenting and refining your approach, and you'll see your audience grow. Now let's talk about why building your YouTube squad is imperative. Listen up, because this is huge. YouTube is not a one-way street. It's about building a community. That means engaging with your viewers, responding to comments, asking for feedback, and just generally being present. Make your audience feel heard. Reply to their comments, give shout outs, even feature them in your videos. The more you interact, the more invested they'll become. Spreading the word through the power of social media. You've got to get the word out about your awesome channel, and social media is your best friend. Share your videos on all your platforms: Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, you name it. Cross-promote, collaborate with other creators, and don't be afraid to get a little creative with your marketing. Teamwork makes the dream work. Collaborate, because you know the saying, 2 heads are better than 1, right? Collaborating with other YouTubers is a fantastic way to reach a whole new audience. Find creators in your niche and see if they're down to collaborate. You could do guest appearances, joint projects, or even just shout each other out. It's a win-win for everyone involved. YouTube analytics is like having a superpower. It gives you insights into what's working and what's not. Check your analytics regularly to see which videos are performing well, where your audience is coming from, and what they're engaging with. This information is pure gold. Use it to refine your content strategy, experiment with different formats, and give your audience more of what they love. Alright, let's talk about the money, the financial aspects. Once you've built a decent following, you can start monetizing your channel and turning your passion into profit. There are a few different ways to do this, like running ads, partnering with brands for sponsored content, or even selling your own merchandise. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. There's no magic formula, but if you're consistent with your content, engage with your audience, and stay true to your vision, you'll be well on your way to YouTube stardom. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and most importantly, have fun. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to Tell All Wealth for more awesome content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.